Home Remedies presents a surprising way to cleanse fatty liver, liver detoxification. Liver cleanses are important for daily health maintenance. The best way to keep your liver healthy is to simply feed it with the right things. This juice is the perfect way to initiate that process. Ingredients: 25 grams of celery, a finger-sized piece of ginger, 125 grams of fresh red cabbage, 1 lemon, 250 grams of fresh pears, 10 grams of mint, 500 ml of water. Procedure: wash all the ingredients thoroughly, but do not peel them. Decore the pear, keeping as much flesh as possible, and grate the ginger. Cut the cabbage and celery into thin slices. Add mint and squeeze the lemon juice and grate half tablespoon of lemon peel. Now place all into a blender with water and blend. Serve and enjoy. How to use: drink this mix 2 times a day for best results. Take 1 glass first thing in the morning and 1 about 2 hours before you go to sleep. It will keep in your refrigerator for about 2 days. Continue this cleanse for 4 weeks. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.